In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play two-player Cuphead Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Cuphead with two players on Xbox is extremely simple. The game supports full local co-op. Keep in mind, however, that to my knowledge, there is no option to do online co-op. So if you want to play two-player, you must do local co-op. Keep that in mind. So the only requirement are going to be two Xbox controllers. All that you have to do is launch Cuphead, so player 1 is going to be controlling Cuphead. Once you are inside of Cuphead, in the world map after you select your save file, all that you have to do is power on the secondary controller and sync it with the Xbox console. You can either use a cable, so plug the second controller into an available USB port on the Xbox console, or alternatively, connect it through a wireless connection. So, once the controller is connected either through a cable or wirelessly, anytime you press a button on the secondary controller, it is going to get detected, and this will prompt the game to recognize the secondary player joining in. Once they are inside, Mugman is going to appear, and the secondary player or your friend is going to take control of them, Cuphead's brother. Now you can play through the entirety of the game together. The secondary player, like I said, is Mugman, and the player 1 is going to control Cuphead. Both players will share the same screen and health bar, and if either player loses all of their health, it's going to be game over for both. You can play through the entirety of the game, including the boss battles in co-op mode, and like I said in the beginning of this video, there is no online co-op functionality. All that you have to do local co-op is connect the secondary controller and then press any button available, A, B, X, or Y, or even the triggers at the back. And you should load in immediately on the map with this message, player 2 has joined. And now you will be able to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player Cuphead on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.